How to add YouTube video to Clickfunnels in 2023. Adding videos in Clickfunnels are one of the ways for people to be attracted to the product or service you're selling. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to add a video in your funnel from YouTube. So first things first, you want to open your funnel. Alright, here. And then I have here two funnels. One is the landing page, one is the product launch page or a sales page. So I'm going to try to create from this one. Okay, so this is how it looks. And as you can see here, we have already a YouTube video here. So I'm gonna close this one. Alright, there you go. And I'm gonna open it from here. So this time what we're going to do is we're going to try and edit this one. So here, for example. Okay, so I'm going to click it and then I'm going to click the settings. Alright, there you go. So I have here video URL. So basically what I can do is I'm just going to change this one. And I'm going to try to search for a YouTube video, for example. I'm just going to type no copyrighted music there in order for me to avoid copyrights. So say for example, this is the video that you have chosen. So what you're going to do is you're going to basically right click it and then copy the video URL. And then you are just going to put it here. Okay, there you go. So now it has changed. Now this time I'm going to try and save this one. Okay, and once I open it, so there you go. Alright. So yes, basically I'm able to do it right now just by doing that one. And what if in that page there is no particular video option? So say for example, we're going to try to open the other ones. Okay. Alright, here for example, so there's no any video here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add something. Say for example, here I'm going to add a section. And then in the section, full page and one column. And then from here, I'm just going to add a new element and then click a video. Alright, so that's a video. And still the same thing, we're going to click the settings. And we're going to put our video URL here. Oh, yep, there you go. And then we're going to save it. And then open this one. Okay, there you go, that's a page. And then when we scroll down, we are able to see it here. Yes. Yes, that's how you're going to add YouTube video in Clickfunnels in 2023. Congratulations everyone, I hope you've learned something for today. If you are interested in trying Clickfunnels, I suggest you hit that link in the description box below to get yourself 2 weeks worth of free trial. And again, please subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.